For today's aesthetic morning routine, we are going to go over my bathroom cleaning routine for my husband's bathroom. He actually has a separate bathroom from the rest of us because, like I said in an earlier video, he works in sewage, and so his bathroom is absolutely disgusting. I like to make all of my own cleaning products to align with my organic and holistic lifestyle. Not only is this not cost effective, but it only works about half as well, so you have to spend twice as long cleaning. I like to get started by picking up the obvious clutter, like the clothing on the floor directly next to the hamper. Then I start picking up about 30 of these. I honestly don't know where they keep coming from, and I'm concerned. So moving on to my favorite part, which is the sink. My husband likes to leave massive amounts of beard hair shavings in the sink. This is super concerning because it's probably clogging everything, and that's just something we are going to have to deal with later down the road. At this point in my morning cleaning routine, I typically have a steady stream of tears rolling down my face, thinking about the fact that I have an education worth more than my actual home, and I spend 6 days a week, the majority of my time, cleaning up poop and beard hair shavings.